welcome our lovely candidate.
I believe literary journalism is a beautiful blend between truth and art. We're storytelling means the essence of reality. To finally answer that question, it uses dramatic literary techniques that breaks life into parts. With the use through the imagery, dialogue, and overload. Secondly, it thrives on intensive immersion with the character development. Thank you.
Can you enlighten us more about our topic and give three characteristics of literary journalism?
Thank you for the wonderful question. It is a symbol. The use of symbol or object. Symbol or object to present an idea.
Question, Leo. Can you enlighten us more about our topic and give three characteristics of literary journalism?
Simple answer and universal truth or big idea. It's about involved searching of fundamental principle or concept that apply across different contexts and cultures. Minsan, yung truth is ina-address nila sa purpose, existence, morality, and human experience. Some philosophers, scientists, and thinkers, naisip na nila itong idea na throughout history, and they are trying to uncover inside focus on ordinary people, prioritizing
Ang ganda.
And contribution.
Hintay ng lahat. Forward, bilisan ka tayo. Dahil pagkakasyan ka, ibang tanong kayo. Can you discuss the elements of literary journalism?
Kita is yung parang sa speaking ka na yung maayos ay magkaroon ng point. And especially kailangan tingnan para meron tayong ako, tapos learning ako, tapos speaking ka na pati. And yung action that is also siyempre meron tayong
Ganda ni ka.
process ng storyboard. Sa bawat dahil ng kwento meron tayo, pero mga pagbabago na nangyayari around the story. Then, is voice that transfers
Before we crown our new mini literary journalism 2025, can we please have the former winner to wrap up program? Binibini Literary Journalism 2024, Miss Perry.
So before we wrap things up, so literary journalism can be distinguished in other forms of creative nonfiction, such as memoirs, personal essays, travel writing, and food writing. And kung nagtatanong naman kayo, saan nyo usually mahanap ang literary journalism? Usually siya ay mahanap sa mga magazines, newspapers, and books. So ayun, without further ado, alam ko lang winner.
Ano sa nakilang winner? Ang binibining literary journalism ay makakatanggap ng flower, sash, and crown. Literary journalism 2025 is Binibini! Saludeo! 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 Binibini! Saludeo!
Model!
Para po magpasalamat po sa buong months na makasama po kayo. Sa lahat po ng video natin, sa lahat po ng kasiyahan, at baka po, natin po para tignan po kami. At gusto lang po namin pasalamat sa lahat po. And sana po ay magpatuloy po yung kasiyahan po natin.
day. Doon na lang din ako magpapapicture sa'yo, kaya pumasok kayo. Third day of exam, may absent. Baka di pa ka-graduate, walang exam. Ha? Mag-expect ako ng complete attendance, ha? Ano to? Yak, ano itong basura? Hindi lang ito basta basura. Hindi! Tapos na ang bagyo! Hindi!
Hindi mo ako mapipigilan!
Nililinis mo ang kapaligiran, pero pumapatay ka pa rin naman. Ito na lang ba ang paraan para mailigtas ang kalikasan? Okay, kung na lang ang kaya mong gawin. Magpeke, pumatay. Kahit yan, hindi mo magagawang buwan para maitagawin ang tama.
Hindi! Hindi ko na ito gagawin!
Namatay.
Days later, now remorseful, Kalel the killer now joins